Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with CRU. Today we're going to be whipping up a delicious vegetarian meal, a Portobello mushroom burger paired with our CRU Cabernet, and we're also going to be throwing in our CRU Cabernet spices. If you're looking for something that is not hearty with meat but really can stand up to a good Cabernet, this is your recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 2 to 4 portobello mushrooms, 1 large red onion, 1 large heirloom tomato, some arugula, some Biscalini cheddar, or really any white cheddar will do, a bundle of asparagus, and some brioche buns that we found from Whole Foods. We will also be using our CRU Cabernet Sauvignon Spice for this dish as well. To get started with your marinade, go ahead and take 1/4 cup of CRU Cabernet Sauvignon Spice, 1/3 cup of your soy sauce, a half a cup of red wine vinegar, and a half a cup of CRU olive oil. Go ahead and mix that all well and set it aside. Now we're going to marinate our mushrooms. We want to remove the stems from the caps. This is pretty easy. Just squeeze the stem, wiggle it back and forth a couple times, and it should pop right off. Once you've removed all your stems, grab a large 1-gallon plastic bag and place all your mushrooms inside. Once they're all evenly placed inside, pour your marinade over top. We're going to let this marinate for about 20 minutes while we get our barbecue going. The one important thing is to lay this on its side so all the mushrooms evenly get the marinade on them. Barbecue is heating up. Let's prep all our ingredients. I'm going to be grilling asparagus, some beautiful red onions, cut them nice and thick so that they'll hold up strong on the barbecue. And I'm also going to be barbecuing our brioche buns. I'm going to also prep the other ingredients so that we'll have them all ready to go for our burger. Once you're done prepping all of your ingredients, we're going to get everything prepared to take outside and throw on the grill. Take your portobello mushrooms out of the bag they've been marinating in and get them ready, and don't forget to grab a little extra bread and dip it into that marinade because it is so delicious. We're going to add a little bit of CRU olive oil to our vegetables, and we're going to get everything on the grill. For the sake of this video, I decided to grill these the traditional way, but if you're going to do this at home to really kick this recipe up a notch, I would start your portobello mushrooms grilling on the other side and then flip the cap upside down. When it's fully grilled on the top, go ahead and add your cheese to the middle, and when you eat it, the cheese will actually be on the bottom of your burger, and it is so good this way. The cheese melts all over, and it's really the first thing that hits your palate. Once everything has been fully cooked, we're going to add our brioche buns to the barbecue and add our cheddar to the tops of our mushrooms. Like I said a little bit ago, you can flip your mushrooms upside down if maybe they're too small or you want all the cheese to melt within your mushrooms. Either way, it's delicious. Just do what you like. To make our portobello mushroom sandwich, we're going to be adding just a tiny bit of mayonnaise to the bottom, our mushrooms, some of those beautiful heirloom tomatoes, some grilled onions, a heap of arugula, and then a dash of our CRU Cabernet seasoning. What you will find with this dish is it's actually incredibly filling. So we only added a little bit of grilled asparagus to the side, but you could easily throw together a potato salad or some type of starch to really fill it up. Today we paired our dish with our CRU Cabernet Sauvignon. There are many different wines that we have in our portfolio, and we tested many of them with this recipe, but this is a true cab lover's dish. Our CRU Cabernet Sauvignon offers fragrant violet and perfume aromas along with cocoa powder, chocolate-covered blueberries, and creme de cassis on the nose. Full-bodied, mouth-watering acidity, a touch of fresh tobacco leaf, hints of wet slate, and a dark blue and black fruit-driven profile fills out the mid-palate and leads to juicy, supple, fine-grained tannins and a long, drawn-out finish. We hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Cooking with CRU. If you're looking for more recipes or more information about Vineyard 29 and our CRU wines and spices, please head over to vineyard29.com. Until next time, cheers!